Simplicity used to mean something simple, a handwritten letter, the weathering on old film stock, the grain of an original photograph. These were signs that something existed in real time and space. But then came digital reproduction, perfect copies with no friction, no decay. Suddenly, we needed new ways to tell real from fake. We started craving texture, JPEG artifacts, film noise, shaky camera angles. The more human it looked, the more trustworthy it seemed. Yet here's the rub. If a thing looks too real, whether it is at all. Benjamin described a shift in value, from aura to mass production. But now, even that aura is faked. Algorithms generate imperfections we now associate with truth. We expect our photos to look like Polaroids, our messages to feel typed by real hands on old keyboards. The illusion of flawlessness has become the flaw itself. Authenticity isn't discovered anymore. It's engineered into every image, every voice mod, every deep fake. And yet, we fall for it because our brain
Neural networks excel at pattern recognition and data-driven adaptation, but true intelligence requires more than mimicry. It demands understanding, creativity, and context-aware reasoning, which remain elusive.
Authenticity used to mean something you could touch, like a handwritten letter or a live performance with sweat and shaky breaths. But in an age where everything is optimized for speed and scale, we've learned to code imperfection itself into our machines. My DI humanization algorithms tweak timing by milliseconds, adding natural irregularities that make digital music feel less like a machine and more like a person. It's not just about sound, it's about trust. We're taught to believe in the real. We don't just want machines that function. We want them to lie convincingly. Consider handwriting generators, trained on centuries of cursive, producing letters with ink smudges, uneven pressure, and deliberate flourishes that scream, handwritten. These tools are not for creativity, they're for deception. They pass as human not out of elegance, but necessity, because in an age of spam and deep fakes, the irregular is what passes as real. Social media took this one step further. Instagram filters aren't just aesthetic. They're trust signals in a sea of content overload. A warm glow, subtle grain, and soft shadows can transform a stock photo into something you'd swear is real. It's not about beauty anymore. It's about making the digital feel like memory. The illusion isn't that we see truth, it's that we feel seen.
Transcribing audio or video files can be extremely tedious, especially if you don't have the right tools. But thankfully, with the advancements in artificial intelligence, there are more tools now than ever to help you out with this task. And I'm going to go over 5 of the absolute best tools available to help you with your transcribing needs. Let's jump right.
Barth has described the punctum as that unrepeatable detail in a photograph, an accidental scratch, a stray hair that pierces us with its singularity. But what happens when every image is filtered through an algorithm trained to replicate these precise imperfections? The digital world, for all its noise, has become unnervingly consistent in our pursuit of realism. We've created systems that engineer the illusion of spontaneity on demand. As we'll hear in those archival clips, even children recognized the uncanny disquiet of machines that could mimic life but never truly replicate it. The crash, the error message, they were punctums in their own right. But now, these jarring moments are smoothed over by predictive systems designed to eliminate friction entirely. We no longer experience surprise. We encounter calculated deviations meant to feel human. In digital media, the punctum becomes just another design element, algorithmically generated to give the illusion of personal history. It's like auto, tuned for emotions. We want a little realism, enough to feel human, but not so much that it disrupts the flow. The end result is a flattening of emotional resonance, where everything feels touched, but nothing truly touches. Neil Postman warned us that technology doesn't just change tools, it changes what we take for granted as truth. In Technopolis, he showed how computers replace intuition with calculation and meaning with process. We no longer ask if a message is true. We only ask if it computes. What's remarkable now is not the speed of information, but our willingness to trust its illusion. The machine does not lie, only simulate truth, so convincingly that we forget what real evidence looks like. Imagine this. You look at a photo of your childhood homes. It looks real, too real, maybe. You doubt your memory instead of the image. That's not just misinformation, it's disorientation. We are now in an age where trust is no longer earned through time or evidence. It's sold as product. Authenticity has been algorithmized into a commodity we can't question and don't even know how to verify.